Most of us start the night with a curious set of instructions for our bodies. First, we chill the room down to 68 degrees. Then we immediately pull up a heavy, insulating duvet. If your physiological goal is to cool off, why use the heavy insulation? But if the goal is to stay warm, why chill the air in the first place? You might have heard the popular internet myth that this is a weight loss hack. The idea is that sleeping in a cold room forces your body to burn extra calories to maintain homeothermy. Homeothermy is the biological process of keeping your internal body temperature stable, regardless of the outside environment. But the science is actually reversed. Sleep is a highly optimized state of energy conservation, not a calorie-burning workout. To reach that supreme state of conservation, your body must execute a specific thermal maneuver. It must heat your skin to cool down your core. For you to successfully fall asleep, your internal core body temperature needs to drop by approximately 1 degree Celsius. Your body dilates vessels to move heat to your extremities. A duvet's microclimate keeps them open to dump heat into the bedroom. This is driven by brown adipose tissue, or BAT, specialized fat clusters around your neck that generate heat. That generates just enough local heat to warm your skin. That peripheral warmth sends a direct signal that your preoptic hypothalamus, the region of your brain that regulates temperature, telling it to initiate a body-wide cooling process. That functions like a starter motor. It spends a tiny amount of energy to signal the brain's thermostat, effectively turning the body's main engine off for the night. Once you fall asleep, your thermal requirements shift continuously as you cycle through different sleep stages. Researchers recently tested this by using an experimental mattress with real-time temperature adjustment, or RTA. RTA is an artificial intelligence system that predicts your sleep stages from your breathing sounds, actively modulating the bed's temperature to match your physiological needs. This chart shows the study's protocol. The system drops the mattress temperature to 30 degrees Celsius during REM sleep and raises it during non-REM hazes. This dip addresses REM vulnerability. During REM sleep, your ability to regulate temperature effectively shuts down. Because your internal thermostat is offline during this phase, a warm bedroom will force your brain to wake you up to prevent overheating. This directly leads to fragmented, poor-quality sleep. This graph illustrates the results of catering to that specific vulnerability. The green bars representing the temperature-adjusting mattress show a significant increase in both the total percentage of REM sleep and overall sleep efficiency compared to a static mattress. Optimal rest is a highly dynamic process. Keeping your bedroom at a single, static temperature all night can actually become a physical obstacle to reaching your brain's most restorative stages. So why do we go through this elaborate thermal choreography every single night? Think of your body as a metabolic ledger. By dropping your core temperature, you enter a low power state that saves up to 15% of your daily energy budget. The body reallocates these energy savings toward biological housekeeping tasks, too resource-heavy to perform during the day. The microscopic payoff starts in your brain. Cooling down during non-REM sleep triggers the expression of a specific gene called cold-inducible RNA binding protein, or CIRBP. CIRBP and related proteins act as the project managers for cellular repair. They guide the assembly of new proteins and provide targeted neuroprotection, specifically within the hippocampus, the brain center responsible for learning and memory. The energy you saved by dropping your internal heat provides the exact fuel required by your immune system and these cellular repair teams to do their jobs. Your 68-degree room and thick blankets serve a highly specific biological purpose. They are specialized environmental tools that allow your metabolism to balance its ledger, shutting down the furnace so your body can finally rebuild.